Good morning. We are getting a lot of questions right now about how to use ICE, our new intranet site that replaced Eureka. If you've not noticed, Eureka has been shut down. ICE stands for Information Center for Employees, and that is what we're using for our internal site now. So I've gotten a lot of questions recently, this morning specifically, about how to get there. Where is it at? How do I log in to access information? So wanted to run through that real quick with you. I'm at actually our new website, AIDB.org. You navigate there and you're going to actually click the login button. When you do that, your login is going to be the first letter of your first name, the first four letters of your last name, unless there was already someone with that user, and then we'll do the first two letters of your first name, first four letters of your last name, and then you'll use your same password that you use for your email. Now, this login should be exactly how you log into your computer. For some, maybe logging into computers in dorms that have generic logins, this won't be the case. But for most of you that are logging into a computer, it's going to be the same way. When you reboot your computer, this is exactly the same way you log into it. So I've got my username and password. I'm going to hit sign in. And I know that there was something sent out this morning from payroll on how to access their information. You're going to click on payroll under ICE. You could have went to the ICE page and then clicked on payroll, or you can just use your drop down, and here you will find all of that information. So if you have any problems, or if any of this was confusing, please don't hesitate to reach out to us in the IT department. We'll be glad to help you. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope you have a great day.